Cloud consumption doesn't just send you a warning. Azure, Fabric, your AI platforms, they meter every query, every workload, every model run quietly around the clock. And the first time most finance teams see the number, it's already a bill, a big one. No heads up, no owner, and often half of it isn't even mapped to a department, so nobody's accountable for spend that nobody saw coming. That's the problem we set out to solve, and we built the answer right inside of Power BI. No new platform to learn, no data leaving your tenant. This first walkthrough focuses on Azure, but the same controls apply everywhere your consumption lives. Let's dive in. It all starts with seeing everything in one spot. Your entire Azure spend broken out by department and service area, trends month over month, and the last 2 weeks at a glance. Users can drill down to service areas and slice and dice their data to gather the insights they need. The Pareto chart surfaces your top 10 cost drivers for easy line of sight. On the bottom half of your screen, the decomposition tree lets you drill from department to technology, all the way down to this single application that's quietly running up the tab. Next, we put a name on it. The leadership view rolls cost up to the actual technology and divisional leaders responsible. So spend isn't just a number, it has an owner. And anything sitting unmapped, that's exactly where the leakage hides. Which brings us to planning. With the what if budget cap, you set a ceiling and watch actual versus forecast respond in real time. Model a 10% cut, a freeze, an increase, and then write updates straight back into Power BI. No spreadsheets, no waiting on IT, just real-time decision support backed by your data. So what about all those unallocated records? With Acterys, any end user can take unmapped costs and assign them to the right leaders and departments right here in Power BI. You've got real control over how the split happens. Choose your allocation method, a fixed annual input or driver-based, and decide whether it's spent by percentage or something else. Watch, I'll set this to 50% allocation, hit save, and the entire report refreshes. Cloud consumption, you can finally see, own, cap, and plan. All native to Power BI, all inside your tenant. So the bill stops being a surprise, starts being a decision. You turn where did that come from into here's exactly where it went and here's the plan. Acterys, consumption controls for Azure.